All right, folks, so I'm going to go ahead and try to get you set up on being able to work through um, the assignment that's on the Hapara site for you to do the Grasshopper recapture. So you will start with a document that looks like this. It's a Google Sheets. And you also need to have this document open, the Grasshopper Recapture Lab Graphs doc page. This is the actual assignment that will tell you what 10 graphs you need to make. So if you put, if we're going to do the first graph says that you're going to take trial 1 from the graphs for your hour. So for instance, I will just do first hours. If I wanted to grab the information for this trial 1 on the grass, I would click here and drag over the first 3 columns. What I do from there is I will go up to this Insert Chart button. I will click on that, and you get a window that looks like this. Now, there's recommendations. Not always does the recommendation come up like this chart. This is the actual chart that I like. So you might have to go to Chart Types, scroll down, hit Column, and then what you'll do is hit Insert. You'll drag this over here. Okay. Let me get Trenton for me. I'm sorry, I'm recording, that's why. Then you will look here, and to change the title, you just click on that. You will go Trial 1 in Grass. After you do that, hit Enter to apply. What you need to do now is you're going to have to make a Google Doc. So you'll go to a new window. You'll open up a new Google Doc. Hit blank. Here you're going to change the title to Grasshopper Recapture Lab Graphs. And what you're going to do is make sure that you Control-C or Edit Copy your graph that you try to take over. Go to that doc that you just made. You can Control-V, and you're going to paste that in. Now you have that graph there. That is graph 1. You will do the same thing for the second graph. You can go ahead and delete this one in the Excel sheet or the Google Sheets. You will grab this first column again, but now we want to do trial 2 for your class. So we are going to grab, by holding Control, again, you will Control and drag over that first column to get the colors, and then you will drag over these 2 outside columns for trial 2. Then you will again hit Insert Chart. You'll trade it over, make it look like the bar or the column. Again, there's a glitch here. I'm not sure why that does. You insert the chart, and then you'll have your second one. You do the same thing for number 2 for concrete. For trial 1, you'll grab these 3. And then for trial 2, you'll grab these 3. Now, I do want to show you what number 3, where you're doing the multi-class captured, is going to look like. So for trial 1, we would grab this column here for hour 1. Again, hitting Control and dragging here for the number that were captured in trial 1. We would go down to 5th hour. We would drag over the first column and then the third column. And then we would go down to 6th hour, drag over the first column and the third column again for your 3 different trials per hour. Okay. Go to the chart button. Again, it's going to come up as a sidebar. Don't like the sidebar, rather have the column. You're going to hit Insert. You bring your graph over here, make it a little bit bigger so you can work on it. Your titles would be Trials by Class in Grass. Oh, kind of rhymes. Hit Enter. Now, I don't like these colors here. They're kind of mixed up because none of these are, Alan, help me out. I don't think any of these are orange. I think there's a blue one, a red one, and is this green? Is that green? Yellow. Yellowish green. So what I want you to do is I want you to change those colors. How you do that is you click on the first column and you'll go to this color palette. I want that one to be black. Click on the second column, make it a gray, a lighter gray color. Click on the third column, then finally make that a lighter gray color again. So this is a good looking graph for number 3. You would again copy and paste this. So either edit copy or control copy. Go to your Grasshopper Recapture doc that you opened up. Go ahead and paste that in, and there's the graph. Okay. So make sure that you are moving them down as you go, so you don't put it over the existing graphs. Again, if you find some issues with this project, make sure you email me over the weekend.